Hi, Tyler here with Shadowcaster Lighting. So you received your new Light Commander Plus or purchased one from one of our authorized dealers. You may have some questions about how to connect your RGB lighting and the controller to your boat's multifunction display. In the Light Commander box, you'll find the following items: Light Commander controller, 3/16 mounting hardware, 3 pre-wired Deutsch connectors, 2 gray, 1 black, and an Ethernet cable. The Light Commander Plus comes with 4 built-in RGB channels, or RGBW, with individual indicator lights for a status indicator of what color the zone is turned on to. You'll notice the first 2 gray connectors for the Light Commander Plus are for connecting your RGB or RGBW lighting. Any standard 4 or 5 wire RGB light, 12 or 24 volt rated, will work with these channels. Each connector supports 2 zones of RGB. They come with pre-wired colored connectors. Your black is for your positive output with your 3 color grounds, red, green, blue, and then an optional white channel for the 5-wire RGBW lights. Each channel is rated for 15 amps and is digitally fused. In the event that you're overcurrent on one of the channels, you may need to move some RGB lighting to another channel or opt to get one of our SNLCs as an expansion unit. The third black connector comes with pre-wired shadow net ports for connecting our downlights, spreader lights, and underwater lights to our shadow net network. It also has 6 wires for wiring up a momentary switch from a dash panel to be able to turn on and dim zones of lighting, and then an optional color control switch for universal color control through a momentary switch on the dash. The next step is to connect your Light Commander Plus controller to your boat's MFD. You'll notice on top of the controller there's an NMEA 2000 port and an Ethernet port. Depending on the model of display unit, it may be compatible with the NMEA 2000 port or the Ethernet network port, and in some cases both. Visit the link below for our MFD compatibility guide and a list of recommended adapters for your specific display.